During the data exercise, so we will be using buttons to apply and clear the slicers in Power BI. So I have already downloaded the file. This is the file. You can add the title from the buttons from here in the optimize, and you can click on apply all slicer button, and then you can see that a button appears. And so in this exercise, what we need to do, for example, if I have selected some slicer here, so for example, this, this, or this, right? And then if I click on apply all slicer, it will directly apply all the slicers here. And if I click on clear all slicer, it it will clear all the slices here. You can see that. So this is how you work with the apply all slices and clear all slices button.